Meet our friend, Stick. He just got his first credit card in the mail. And honestly, he's a little nervous. You might feel the same way. Credit cards sound scary, like a trap. But here's the truth. Credit cards are just tools. A hammer can build a house or break a window. It all depends on how you use it. In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to use credit cards to build wealth without falling into debt. Ready? Let's go. Understand the game's due date. When you buy something with a credit card, you're borrowing the bank's money. But if you pay it back in full by the due date on your statement, you pay zero interest. Zero. That's like borrowing a friend's bike and returning it the same day for free. But if you're even 1 day late, they charge you a fee. And if you don't pay the full amount, they start adding interest. And that interest is expensive. Let me give you an example. Imagine you buy a $20 pizza with your credit card. If you pay the full $20 by the due date, you still pay $20. Perfect. But if you only pay the minimum, say $5, the bank will charge you interest on the remaining $15. At a typical 20% annual rate, that $15 could turn into $30 if you take a year to pay it off. You pay double for pizza. Ouch. So remember, always pay the full statement balance every month. Not the minimum, the full amount. Here's where people get trapped. They start seeing the credit card as extra money. It's not. When you swipe a credit card, you are spending money you already have in your bank account, just delayed by a few weeks. A great mental trick? Only buy something with credit if you could buy it with cash right now from your checking account. If you can't afford it with cash today, don't buy it with credit. That one rule will save you thousands. But wait, if credit cards are dangerous, why use them at all? 2 words, credit score. Every time you pay your credit card bill on time, you build a strong credit score. A high score helps you rent an apartment, buy a car, or get a mortgage for a house with a lower interest rate. A good credit score can save you tens of thousands of dollars over your life. Plus, many credit cards give you cash back, like 2% on groceries. That's free money, but only if you never pay interest. So how do you win? 3 simple steps. Step 1. Set up automatic payments to pay the full statement balance every month from your bank account. Then you never forget. Step 2. Treat your credit card like a debit card. Track every purchase in a notebook or phone app. Step 3. Never use more than 30% of your credit limit. If your limit is $1,000, don't owe more than $300 at any time. This keeps your credit score healthy. What about real emergencies? Car breaks down. Vet bill. That's the one time using a credit card for something you can't pay immediately might make sense. But here's the rule. Even in an emergency, make a plan. Pay as much as you can as fast as you can. And as soon as the emergency is over, go back to paying the full balance. Don't let one emergency turn into a year of minimum payments. That's the trapdoor. But what if you're already trapped? Don't panic. First, stop using the card. Right now. Second, call your credit card company and ask for a lower interest rate. It works more often than you think. Third, look up the debt snowball method. Pay off your smallest debt first while making minimums on the rest. Once the smallest is gone, roll that payment to the next. Small wins build momentum. You can get out. Millions of people have. So here's the final summary. Credit cards are not the enemy. Forgetting how they work is the enemy. Pay the full balance every month. Never buy what you can't afford with cash. Use autopay. Stay below 30% of your limit. And if you slip up, start over. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Stick did it. You can too. Now go use that card like a pro. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe.